Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So I just want to come over and show you guys a real quick way to create your mood board for 2021. I hope I don't say 2020 in this video because it's easy to get confused with 2020 and 2021. Last year you guys saw that I did it on the board, but this year I wanted to make it more electronic, that I can bring it with me wherever I go. And I'm trying to post this video today. Today's the first. No, I'm trying to post this video tomorrow. Today is the 1st of January, so I actually have screen recorded everything. Hopefully it turned out right because this is my first screen recording, but I haven't edited it yet. So I have the mood board in front of me and I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. So like the vision board, mood board, I think it's the same thing. Also, if you're somebody that maybe you have a vision board but you don't want anybody to like come to your room and see it, or like you don't just want to show it to everybody, I think doing it electronic is the best way to go because it's like private to you. And my mood board, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. These are things that I'm comfortable sharing on the internet. There are definitely things that I do want to do this year that are not on this board. And yeah, so far this is what I feel comfortable sharing. So yeah, everything that is private is not on this, and I do really want to do a lot more than just the things on this board. And there are 30 things on here that you will see that were part of last year goal, and I'm just carrying it over. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep quiet and show you guys how to make it, and then after making it I'll come back and talk to you about mine and explain into details. So the first thing you want to do is to go to canva.com and type in mood board photo collage. So this will give you a variety of templates to work with. I like working with template because it's easier. You can design it from scratch, but I like template, so I will be using these templates right here. So if you click on the template, it comes pre-made, so you just kind of insert your pictures and then play around with it. So I like some of the things on the template, but of course not everything, and I want to keep some and I also want to take some out. So now that you have your template, you're gonna go download your images. So I just go on Google and type in the image and add PNG. That way it gives you like a transparent background. Not all of them does that, but most of them will. And then I just kind of download it. I have done this part already, so I'm just kind of showing you guys what to do. I am using a MacBook, so it might be a little different if you're using Windows. So yeah, that's basically what you would do to get the images. Pretty simple. After getting the images, you're gonna go back to Canva and then click on the upload button. It's at the top, I think the second from the top. You click from the upload button and then you go ahead and upload your images. I don't like to do it this way because that means I have to be looking through my computer and also uploading one by one. So what I do is to like drag and place kind of thing. It will show really clearly what I do. So what I basically do is I minimize the screen that I'm working with, and then I open my download and then I highlight the images in group and then I drop it on Canva. So that's pretty easy, and then it uploads. So I'm just gonna show you how I do it real quick. Like this make a world of a difference instead of you just you just uploading one by one. Like this one just take seconds to upload. So now that we have our images, all we are going to be doing is to drag and drop. I know it is not looking really neat, or really like the images are not showing really well, but you just drag and drop and then we'll fix it later on. So that's all we're going to be doing. Okay, so now let's fix the images. I left some of the images there just because I'm going to be deleting it. So I'm going to be deleting what I don't need, and then I'll resize what I need. But when I was resizing, I realized like it wasn't resizing the way I wanted, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So here I was trying to crop it, but it did not work out. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. and just delete like the square and everything there, and just insert the YouTube just like that. So I will resize it. This way it's easier to resize because I have control over what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be doing the rest with um all the images that I have to resize. Just keep playing with it until you get it the way you want it. It's really about you playing with it and then you like moving it to where you want it and all of that. So now that everything is the way I want it, I'm just going to kind of delete that Effie there and then put in mood board. So when I was doing it, I wasn't sure it was going to curve because when I clicked on it, it just went straight. But I was just playing around to see if it's going to curve. So that was what I did. Okay, so the thing with Canva, you can get as creative as you want, or you can get as minimalistic as you want. So if you want to go ahead and change the background color, you just click on the square up there, and just play with the colors. If you have a code for a color, you can insert it in where the search bar is, and then insert that as well, and it will do that. So I'm just gonna play around with it and just put a color. I wasn't really thinking deep into this thing. Like I said, I wanted something simple, so I'm just going to play around with it. Just put a color that I think might go with all of it. So yeah, when you're all done, and you want to download it, you want to click on the download button. My cursor will show you where it is. Yes, right there. You want to click there, and then you want to select PNG. That is the most quality that you can get. So yeah, if you have premium Canva, you can do a transparent background, but if you don't, you're gonna print with a transparent. So yeah, that's what I would do. I just use the regular one, the free version, and then if you download it, you go to your download, you click it, voila, you have your vision board, and it's pretty simple. There you go, guys. Pretty simple. Okay, when I was done, I realized I did not delete that warmth right there. So I went back to delete it, and I also added 2020 to the mood board. So it looks like mood board. Oh, see? I added 2021 instead to the mood board. So it says like mood board 2021. So to add the 2021, I went to test, and then I clicked on the add a subheading, and I put in 2021, and then I selected the font that the mood board has. So you see the font over there. When you click on it, it shows at the top what kind of font it is. So I just went and make sure the 2021 have the same font. And now thinking about it, I feel like I should have turned the mood board the other way, but I don't know if that makes sense. But actually seeing it right now, I feel like I should have turned the mood board spelling around a little bit, but it works either way. So I just went ahead and downloaded back again. Okay guys, so here is the final look. If you don't have Canva, I don't know what you're doing with your life, get it. Is the free version can offer you a lot of things. If you want to go pro, then pay for the advance. But yeah, this is my mood board for 2021. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I think I said that 100 times in this video. So yeah, so now let's talk about the details of everything. Okay guys, so now that you know how to make your mood board, I hope you like it. It's pretty simple. Mine is very minimalistic, and it's very simple and straightforward to the point. So I'm just gonna go over it real quick. So the first one, of course, is the Bible. I have my laptop here, so if I'm looking down, I just want to be seeing it so I can talk. The first thing is the Bible. I do still want to get better at my devotion and my relationship with God and all of that. And then the next item is 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I do want to hit 10,000 this year, and also maybe hit more than 10,000. That's my goal. So I just put 10,000 there just to be like the low point, but I do want to hit more than 10,000. And then the next item is a business tool. So I do want to put much time into my business and see it grow. This year, one thing I've been learning is advertising, and also like how to promote your business. Like the marketing side of business, it's easy to start a business, but it's hard to make the business successful. So that's one thing that I am learning, and I do want to learn that through 2021 as well. And of course, the photography one was in last year's own, and I wasn't able to do it, so I just put it in this one so I'll be able to do it. And my blog, I do want to take my blog seriously this year, and I am planning content that I will bring out. So that is one thing I want to do. I want to be more organized and plan things, so like I don't keep giving excuses about why I did not post a blog post and all of that. I do want to take it serious. The next thing I want to do is swimming. This was something I wanted to do last year, but I did not do it. It wasn't part of my vision board or anything, but I just had in mind to do it. And I wanted to do it when I was in Ghana, because it's a lot cheaper to get trained for swimming in Ghana than in America. So that's what I wanted to do. Hopefully I'll get to do it this year. It is a goal that I really want to accomplish. And then the next item is weight loss journey. I do want to carry over my weight loss journey to 2021 and continue doing it. I do not want to slack. I've been on and off it since I started, so I just want to keep going. I want to make it more of a habit, not just something that I want now. So yeah, that's the plan for 2021. And then the next item is real estate. You guys saw in my last vision board, and that's something that I'm putting in 2021 as well, just to learn about it, not to necessarily start it, because to be honest, I don't even have the money to start it. So I just want to get into learning it and learn everything about it basically. So yeah, that's my simple vision board. I do have a couple of things that are not here, like I said, that are more private to me. So yeah, I might probably go back and remake it so I can add those private stuff to it, but as of right now, this is what it is. So that's it for this video. Let me know if this video was helpful, and also let me know what are your goals for 2021. Of course, things that you are willing to share on the internet, because the internet is internet. Everybody see whatever that you put out there. So of course, let me know things that you are okay to share on the internet that you want to do. I did not put things like my hair and stuff, because this is something that I'm gonna do either way. So I want to put things that I really want to focus on. And this year I do plan with my hair, I do plan on doing a lot of protective styling, so hopefully I get to do that. So yeah, this video is getting too long, so like I said, let me know what you plan for 2021. And I just want to wish you guys again happy new year, and I pray that you guys have a successful year and a very productive year and an awesome year in general. So I'll catch you in my next video. So until then, stay blessed and beautiful.